Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log in to your NerdWallet account. To log into your NerdWallet account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in nerdwallet.com and search. Once you're inside the main homepage for NerdWallet, go to the upper right corner and click on the sign in button. In the sign in area, you'll need to type in your email and password. But if you've previously signed up using this Apple and Google option, you'll need to choose the same here. If you've previously used email to sign up for the account, type in your email address and the correct password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions till the end. Finally, after filling in your email and password, click Continue and you will be able to log into your NerdWallet account in just a couple of steps. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.